Here we have a Jaguar F Type, and what we installed is a CarPlay system. So it retains the factory screen and the controls and the audio system that's in the vehicle. So we haven't changed any of that, but what we have done is added an additional module that gives you the capability to have CarPlay or Android Auto. Now, with this particular module that we supply and fit, it's wireless, so you don't have to plug into the USB port, and that includes Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. So that's with both functionality is completely wireless. So let me just show you. So if you jump into the driver's seat, so it's connected up to my iPhone, which I've got here. So this is the factory screen, and that's typical. So by pushing this button here, it now goes into CarPlay, and this particular one is Apple CarPlay. So that gives you the functionality of all the apps that's standard with CarPlay. So you've got Waze, Google Maps, as well as Spotify. If you had Amazon Music, that will come on as well. And you just got full control over it. And all it's doing is just modernise the vehicle, because this vehicle did not have any of this. And if you wanted to play music through the system, you had to do it via Bluetooth, and then you haven't got a lot of control regarding, you know, what albums you want to play or what have you. It would just literally be skip track to the next one. So by having this, you don't have to touch your phone. Your phone could be put away, which legally you're not allowed to touch your phone, especially when you're driving. So, shall I say, when you're driving. So again, you've got full control. So if you use the mapping, you could actually search for addresses and use the screen to do that. So you don't have to touch your phone to actually input all that. That could be all done through the factory screen that you've got there. So, I mean, it all looks pretty much OEM. It looks like it's meant to be there, and because it just works seamlessly with the factory integrated system here. So there's nothing changed and everything remains. And if you didn't want the CarPlay, you want to go back to its normal setting, all you have to do is push the home button. It goes back to its normal setting, and then you go onto your normal radio channels, DAB channels, or what have you, without any interruption of having this CarPlay system in there. So it gives you best of both worlds. So you still retain all the factory system that's in there, but you have that as an additional thing. So that's the Apple CarPlay installed on this Jaguar F Type.